Good afternoon. I hope you guys like that little snippet at the beginning. I love me some In Vogue. That's inspired by Don't Let Go. So today is going to be a part 2 of this Natural Girl LG Raw, just an update. So I've had it for about a month or so. So I wanted to see if I can put some heat and kind of change the look today. So I'm just going in with my little brush. Don't forget to subscribe and share. It's definitely clear hair for you today. So just going through. I have this Revlon curling rod. I'm so weak. It's definitely something that I use for sure is this brush here, just to make the little flippy flip. Y'all know the little Barbie flip. I love it. So we're gonna go in and I'm gonna use the very tippy tip of the end here. And it's a curling iron. It just came to me. I was like, why can't I get this word together? So I'm gonna go in and I have this on medium heat. So I'm just going in, I'm holding the base there. I have it on Vanessa. She's my mannequin. That's her name. And so I'm just coming in and I'm just rolling it, just holding it for a little bit. And let's see the result. Let's see if we can get a different look. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Like I said, I'm here to keep it real with y'all. It looks like it doesn't take heat too well. Like the ends looked a little, you seeing? So we're not going to put no more heat on this ponytail. I think what I'm going to end up doing is I'm just going to probably just end up, not me brushing it the wrong way. I'm just going to end up just brushing it, like giving it that Marsha Brady, and see if that gives it a different look. But this is after a month of me having this ponytail. So let's see what the end result is. Oh, hey, you're still here. All right, so we're going to finish the tutorial. I'm just going in with my Amela Cosmetics. Like I said, I'm going to be having an update for the hair growth back in May. I tried that previously so we can see where we're at. But I'm just basically putting oil, making sure my scalp is nice and moisturized while I do that. Now, this is going to be Tresemme Ooh La La, and this is a heat protectant. I'm not going to be using a lot of heat, but I'm very protective of my strands. It's the blow dryer for me. But pretty much I wanted to go through and just stretch my hair out a little bit more. So I'm just going here with my Denman brush. Now, of course, I am doing this for camera purposes. Before people say, she's doing it rough. I was like, I wanted to show you guys just how my strategy is in the back of my head. But I'm pretty much, that's like on medium heat. Now I'm going through with my spray here that I've been using. It's Got to Be Glue. It's like a medium hold. Of course, I'll leave all the links below. You know, I love to hook y'all up with everything I find out that ends up working. It's going through with my mama brush, and that's pretty much it. I'm just showing how I stretched my hair enough to go in the ponytail. Now, mind you, you can just, slick your hair down regularly without heat. But I wanted the ponytail to last for a while, and I've noticed that they last longer when heat's applied. So I'm going through here with my Eben, what is it called? Eben 24-hour hold. So here I'm just going through, just, stretching my strands out here. And just going right here, coming in with my dryer. This is pretty much just, solidifying. I have the little attachment that I use when I really want my hair to really stay, because I want this ponytail to at least last me 2 weeks, because I don't know about you guys, but with natural hair, I got you for the first 2 business days, and then it'd be acting brand new. So I'm going through there with my Got to Be Glue. Ooh, it was smoky. Got to Be Glue light hold, and that's pretty much that. Again, I'm coming right here with my Tresemme Ooh La La, and that's one word. Just going through there, and I'm just going through, just making sure that everything is stretched and proper. So I'm just going through right here, and I'm going through with my Eco Styler gel, and then I'm going through with my mama brush. But I wanted to go through right here. So I've been using this technique as well to make my hair slick down a little bit longer. I think what's going on is, did I have a bump there? Was I bleeding? I didn't even know. I guess I was. That is crazy to me. I didn't even feel that when I was filming. I'm okay, y'all. So don't be going in the comments thinking there's something's wrong. It's just a bump that I guess popped when I was I guess I was parting my hair, but just going through right there, and that's just pretty much with the dryer. The dryer, to me, I feel like it stretches your strands out, because I've noticed too that if you want your ponytail to last a little bit longer, you have to get them roots. Okay, you have to get them roots. So you want to go in and just brush through and make sure it goes over your ear. And I think that's pretty much it. I didn't really do too much. Didn't do too much of the tutorial on this part, but I know for my day one, people are just like, oh, we know how to slick our hair. But I love doing stuff for fresh people, because like I said, sometimes you need like new strategies, because I'm just trying to think of different ways to make it go quicker. So right here, I'm just going over after I done slicked everything down. I'm pretty sure it's just going over with pretty much going over with the hair dryer, making sure that everything's in place. Because like I said, I want it to last longer, but you really did not have to use heat, you know. But I'm just going through, just smoothing everything out. And this ponytail should last you about 2 to 3 weeks. It depends how you sleep. I sleep crazy. Now, this part's important. This is a new strategy that I've just learned myself, is that when you're putting your hair in a bun, put a hairpin to stick it to your scalp. So when you put the ponytail, it won't be popping off your head. Just gonna show you a little bit closer here in detail about that part. That's really important. It's first of all, it's a cleaner look, but I also feel like it helps it when you do attachments, that your bun is actually attached to your head, if that makes any sense. So right here, I'm just coming in with the hairpin, like I was saying before. You're gonna just put it here, just so it can like basically attach to your hair. I know it's something really small, and you guys might think it's not really important, but that's pretty much it. Let me guys know if you're gonna purchase this, or if you would do a different hairstyle. I want to see your suggestions below. Don't forget to subscribe, share. It's Claire Hair.